Signs. Saturday in the Berg. Let's see what that is. A bunch of signs in here too. Heritage Museum. Hey, let's go check that out. I wonder what all this is. Marine Park. Heritage Museum. This ought to be good. Let's go check this out. I don't know if you can park there or not. Come on out! Can we park here? Come on out! Can we park right here? Yeah, park right there, that's fine. Doing well. Just parking up for a class. Oh, really? What are you making? Hooks and nails. I got a friend of mine does that. That was an hour down. This was our class earlier today. You learned to make a nail and you learned how to make a hook. Look at that. So there's your hook. So now you can make a hook and you need to make a nail, of course, to hang it to it. Isn't that amazing? You can hold it. It's not hot. No. That's pretty nifty. Wow. I had houses with nails like this in them. So you did a class here today? Yes, ma'am. Really? And was that free or did you charge for that? We charge for it. I see. It's on behalf of the museum. We're Heritage Alive. All right. What do they charge you on the museum?
You have to ask the museum because we know what we're allowed to make, but they put a surcharge on it.
I see.
And that's what's fair.
That is amazing. Did you design this thing here?
No. The forge, not at all. That was actually... Where'd you get that one again?
That one came from Lithuania.
Lithuania?
Let's just pull that. That's going to be works.
I'll walk up to it.
You can go on the back side. The reason it's hot on this side is because the wind's blowing this way. So,
Is that right?
yeah, so it's actually blowing the heat out of this side. So it gets much more here than it is here.
We had a metal making class, and I was in 8th grade, and we were pouring molten lead and molten tin in middle school. And what happened between then and now is a question mark. That's cold.
You can pull it out.
It's cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
Isn't that amazing?
That's a nail.
Handmade nail.
Now we just need a few. How many more for the house, right?
Yeah, we need a few hundred. Go ahead, keep it.
I've had houses that had these kind of nails in them.
Yeah, you keep it. I'll get one.
And some of the old barns are like that too.
We're making them all the time.
Nails in our case are a dime a dozen.
Wow.
We make so many.
So, is that your website thing here?
That's my business.
Get a shot of that. Walk it right up to it.
The business name is Traditions Workshop. It's traditionsworkshop.com, all one word, no hyphen.
Super neat.
And
Amazing. When will you be doing this again? When will you be doing this again?
Saturday the Park demonstration at Saturday the Park, which is 2 weeks from now. We're doing a demo
On the 28th?
on the 28th. And during the demo, we will have, he's going to be doing wood turning. So if you want to take his wood turning class, you get to make one of those.
Are you getting a picture of that? Oh, wow. My friend Doc Berry used to do stuff like that.
So that's the wood turning class. And then you're going to do bottle stoppers sometime. And
In like 3 months, we're going to do bottom stoppers.
so we teach a wood turning class about once a month. We do the blacksmithing class, there's high demand for it. The classes are usually 3 to 4 people. So they're all small classes. And what we have is For the blacksmithing class, we're doing it every 2 weeks now. There's that much demand for it. So our next blacksmithing class, the 20th of April, is everybody's going to be out here doing demonstrations. Our basket weavers are pine needle basketry. People just take the long needle pines and make baskets out of them. Wow. And they still do. So we'll be doing pine needle basketry and wood turning. We'll be doing a little bit of timber framing. We'll be doing some blacksmithing. All of that is demonstration stuff in preparation for the classes that we'll run over the summer.
So that's here in Valparaiso, Florida.
Right here in this museum.
Wow. Super neat. Well, thank you for your info. You guys are awesome.
Thank you.
Appreciate your time. Did you get all that? Great. There it is. 42nd Saturday in the park, April 28th, 8 to 4 p.m. There's the museum hours. $5 adult, senior, active military, children, $3, children and under 4. Okay, so let's check this out. How are you? Thank you. No, but we live here.
Oh, okay.
How much is the charge there?
It would be, $4 each. I don't know how
It would
old
be, it's $4 for senior and military, and then for an adult, it's $5.
Well, I'm naval, but I don't have a card for it.
That's fine. We can do military.
And she's child. So.
Oh,
Okay, yeah.
military, that's right, military's four.
Yeah, we can do 4, and then children are 3.
That's fine.
So
Out of 10?
3.
Look at the great stuff in here. Get some shots of that. That's beautiful.
We did military.
Mm-hmm. Well, you're gonna sign in.
Here's these things these guys are making out here. Look.
Oh yeah, that's
A shot of that.
the blacksmith out there made those ones specifically too. Yeah.
Isn't that neat?
And so you're gonna put in code
34.
apartment.
Coordinate on it. I'll get the change.
And then child is number 33. And then the department number. And then you're gonna subtotal.
Total, $7 total.
And it's 10, so put in the $10. Alright, and then it's cash.
And this is yours. And then you get $3 change.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, and all the stuff on the tables, that's our gift shop stuff. We're actually getting ready to change all this around, so they're out there right now. So there's your $3 change. And let us know if you have any questions.
The next craft show? Or does it have to be old-fashioned craft?
To be a vendor for like our Saturday in the park. Yeah, I can get you a form for that. They have to be homemade crafts.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it very expensive?
Yeah, it's 1 day.
birthday party in the blue room, so we couldn't go in there. Well, no, hey, guy, Jaden, you know how that other guy? He was looking at me. How do you know that room? Whoa! Liam. You have to tell mommy before you leave. Come on. 5 minutes and then you come back.
They're having a children's party. Oh, look at this. Isn't that neat? I had one of those at Adam's house. You put the ice on the top. Oh, I love that iron. Look at the scooter. I made one of those before. Pretty cool, huh? They're building a hall or something. Yep.
I remember that.
See, it's heavy too.
See, my dad had one of those.
This is just like the store that was in Prior Creek, Oklahoma, that Mr. Sandusky had. He'd come up and you'd buy pecans, and then he had a thing that would split them. He'd roll it through. He'd weigh it, and then he'd roll it through, and then you paid for it after having it split. What they call crack. Look at this dollhouse. Look at this dollhouse. It's got a lighting fireplace and it's cooking there. Get right in there to it. Back out. Look. Back up and show the whole thing. Did you get the whole thing out? A little track. It's not a good track. Look at this dollhouse. Look at all the equal school bus. Can you believe that? You can put your stuff underneath. And got trays where you put your stuff. The dunce cap if you have to sit in the corner. There's a heater.
This can't be here.
I remember these. My mom used to use these. Look. Look at that. He's laying here trying to the blower in the back.
Aren't those funny?
Yeah, my mother used all these.
Yeah, I remember. What year was, I remember this one.
Yeah. Oh, look at the thermos. The permanent wave. Get a picture of this here.
Did you take a
Zoom in,
picture of
please.
that little kitchen in the back?
Zoom in.
The old timey kitchen? I
I think that's kind of special. Look at that. Permanent rods. I can't believe they use electric. I guess as a conductor. I'd be afraid of that though. What's that, a hair dryer? Oh yeah, everybody smoked everywhere back in the day. Look at the dressers. Great. Look at this is a hair washing chair. Look. Did you get a picture of that? Hey, I still have 4 of those. I still have 4 of those. They're great for conditioning my hair. I love that. Look at this. Look at the detail on this mirror. Isn't that beautiful? All wood carved. What's in here? Metals. 100-year time capsule to be sealed December 14th. 1992. Wish I could see a date on here. Time capsule.
This is our makeshift gift shop till they get it finished.
Boy,
All that was out.
this is interesting because the people I bought my house from, Mr. Adams, John Adams, he did pelts to make money. It was one of his things he did to make money. And he would do a bunch of pelts and then take them into town to sell them. Amazing. Hey, look, there's a train thing right there. Did you get that? And this is either a train signal or a street signal right here. Did you see this light? It almost looks like the old street signals. Real well. Here, did you get a shot of that?
Is he gone? Is Santa gone?
This time. I love that trunk. My mother used to read blue trunks like that.
I'm hoping for you, but you might cry. Yeah, you tried it.
Here, you need to get a video of this. Did you get a video of this mullet haircut? Huh? Well, now we know that doesn't work. Look, mostly mullet cookbook. They do a lot of mullet here. Look at that teapot right there. Isn't it wonderful? Well, if you want to get into the 42nd Saturday in the Park on Saturday, April 28th, 2018, from 8 to 4 in Valparaiso, Florida, at this museum, you need to give them a ring or check them online and get some more information. They say it's around $60 for a booth to do it. They're going to have outside booths and I guess inside also. That was pretty neat. We proudly acknowledge the community leaders who support the preservation of our treasured Northwest history. Isn't that neat? Incredible. That was a lot of fun and well worth the money. And I paid all of $7 because I'm Navy. Yay. So I got a change bag.